Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com, and right now around the world we all know what is going on. There's a lot of quarantining, there's a lot of self-isolation, the schools are closing, colleges are closing, businesses are closing down, and it got me thinking that a lot of people have time to do something, and because of that, I'm going to give away the FroKnowsPhoto Guide to Getting Out of Auto, starting with parents who have kids that are at home from school. I want to try and give them something that they can do and give the parents some respite, or something they can do with their kids to help them learn and stay active and stay busy while they're either off from school for we don't know how long at this point. So I'm offering that first to parents with kids. Then it's going to be to college kids who are not in school right now and need something to do, and then possibly to everybody else out there who would like it. I will try to get to them as well, but like I said, I can't get to everybody to give it away, but what you do need to do is go to bit.ly/thanksfro. There is a Google form over there where you can sign up with, tell me why this would help you out, especially if you're a parent, and why this will help out your kids, as well as giving me your email address. The email address will only be used to send you a link to download the guide. It will not be saved or used for anything else in the future. Now, as I said earlier, this is meant really for the students first, and if I can get to other people, because I don't know how many requests will come in, I will get to you if it is possible. So please don't get upset with me if I can't get to you. Just understand I'm going to try and get to the students first and then go from there. And if you're wondering what is inside of the guide, it is the guide to help you get out of auto. It's going to teach the fundamentals and basics. You're going to have exposure triangle, your shutter speed, your aperture, your ISO, composition, actual photo shoots where you can watch me out in the real world, and you can work on this with your kids, or honestly, if you're just by yourself, you can start shooting inside of your house, your apartment, in your backyard, at a park if you can get out into the world. And that also brings up that we are going to be working on a 14-day assignment type of thing. We're not sure what that's going to look like just yet, but I most likely, when I get it done, or if we are able to get it done, we'll send it out through an email or make another video to put it out into the world. But we as a team want to give you assignments that you can do if you're quarantined, if you can't get outside, or if you can, we want to have things that you can do with any camera, any cell phone, just to stay active and stay creative, and also to give the kids something to do. Once again, if you'd like to submit your email address for the possibility of getting one of these guides for free, head on over to bit.ly/thanksfro, and I will do my best to get to as many people as possible, as quickly as possible, so you can start to learn photography and get those kids to do something that's fun and educational and may give you a little bit of a respite. And to wrap this up, we're gonna do the best that we can here at FroKnowsPhoto, probably from our homes, to keep making some sort of content so that you can have something to watch and we can have something to do and be creative and to get it out into the world. We don't know what that's going to look like yet right now. Nobody honestly knows what is going on here. So we will do our best, but bear with us. We're going to keep trying to put out some content that is relevant to help everybody out there, and honestly to keep us busy doing something if we end up in quarantine as well. So to end it, please stay safe, look out for your neighbors, look out for others, be smart, and that's where I'm gonna leave it. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.